At the Co-op Kumbh 2025 held in New Delhi, the government unveiled a new digital roadmap for urban cooperative banks. The event concluded with the Delhi Declaration 2025, setting reforms to modernize urban cooperative banks and expand financial inclusion nationwide. Two digital platforms, Sahkar Digipay and Sahkar Digiloan, were launched to empower small and mid-sized banks with cashless transactions and online loans. The plan aims to ensure at least one urban cooperative bank in every city with over 2 lakh people within 5 years. The sector is already showing results. NPAs in urban cooperative banks fell from 2.8% to just 0.6%. Globally, Indian cooperatives like Amul and IFFCO now rank first and second worldwide, making India a global leader in digital and cooperative growth.